Hey everyone, welcome back to the Digital Guide, your go-to spot for social media app tutorials and online opportunities. Are you looking for an easy way to start working online but not sure where to begin? Don't worry. You don't need years of experience or advanced skills to land a real remote job. In this video, we're counting down the 8 easiest remote jobs for beginners. These jobs are flexible, in demand, and perfect if you're just getting started in the online world. Stick around until number one because it's the most beginner friendly of them all. Starting at number 8, we have data entry. This is one of the simplest online jobs because it requires very basic computer skills, typing, copy pasting, and organizing information. Companies hire data entry clerks to input information into spreadsheets, update databases, or transcribe numbers from scanned documents. The pay isn't always the highest, but it's consistent and a great way to get your foot in the door. The more accurate and fast you type, the better your chances of securing long term work. You can find beginner friendly data entry work on platforms like Clickworker, MicroWorkers, and Upwork. These sites regularly post tasks that only require typing and accuracy. Next, at number 7, we have online customer support. Many companies outsource chat and email support for their customers. This means you could be answering common questions, helping customers reset passwords, or troubleshooting small issues. If you enjoy helping people and have good reading communication skills, this is a great entry level rule. The best part, many of these jobs don't require phone calls, just typing in chat or email responses. Websites like ModSquad, LiveOps, Concentrix, and Upwork often hire beginners for customer support. Some focus on chat or email only, which is great if you want to avoid calls. At number 6, we have content moderation. Social media platforms, forums, and online marketplaces hire moderators to review posts, comments, and images to make sure they follow community guidelines. The job can involve flagging inappropriate content, approving posts, or managing discussions. It's repetitive but relatively simple, and it's often remote friendly. But beware, though sometimes moderators encounter sensitive material, so it's not for everyone. Companies such as Mood Squad, The Social Element, and TELUS International regularly hire remote moderators. You can also check job boards like FlexJobs. At number 5, we have virtual assistants. A VA helps entrepreneurs or small businesses with tasks like scheduling appointments, managing emails, organizing files, or even booking travel. It's a broad role, but that's why it's so beginner friendly. You don't need advanced skills, just reliability and the ability to follow instructions. Many VAs eventually specialize in certain tasks, which help increase their income over time. You can start as a VA on platforms like Belay, Freelancer, and have staff talent. Many small businesses also hire directly through Upwork. Number four is online tutoring. But wait, don't worry. You don't need to be a certified teacher to get started. Many platforms hire tutors to help students with basic subjects like English, math, or even conversational practice. If you're fluent in English, for example, you can get paid to simply chat with learners online. This makes it one of the easiest and most beginner friendly jobs, especially if you enjoy teaching others. Popular tutoring platforms include Cambly, Preplay, Tutor.com, and iTalki. At number three, we have freelance writing. Don't worry if you're not a professional writer. Many clients just need a simple blog post, product descriptions, or social media captions. The best part, you can start by writing short content and improve over time. If you can write clearly and avoid grammar mistakes, this could be your first step into freelancing. Beginners writers can find work on Fiverr, Upwork, Textbroker, and ProBlogger jobs. Start with short projects like blog posts or product descriptions to build your portfolio. At number two, we have transcription. A transcriptionist listens to audio recordings and types out what they hear. It could be podcasts, interviews, or meetings. The work is repetitive but straightforward, and accuracy is key. You need good listening skills and decent typing speed. But many transcription jobs are beginner friendly and pay per audio minute. Trusted transcription platforms include Rev, GoTranscript, Scribby, and TranscribeMe. And finally, at number one, the easiest remote job for beginners, MicroTasking. This offers tiny online tasks such as categorizing images, labeling data, or taking surveys. The paper task is small, but it adds up over time. And since anyone can start immediately with no experience, it's one of the best ways to earn your very first dollars online. For microtasks, the best platforms are Amazon Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, Appen, and MicroWorkers. You can sign up instantly and start completing small online tasks. And there you have it. The 8 easiest remote jobs for beginners. Remember, these rules may not make you rich overnight, but they're a great way to gain experience, build confidence, and start earning online. So, which of these beginner friendly jobs would you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more online job tips, and share this with someone who needs to know this. Until next time, stay curious, stay hustling, and keep leveling up from the comfort of your home. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.